everyone, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys how I turn my wavy hair into super manageable and straight hair. I'm sure you guys would have noticed this is how I like to keep my hair most of the time, bouncy and straight. And I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys on how I style my hair. So I thought let's just spill all the secrets today and share with you guys the kind of products I use, the kind of hair tools I use in making sure my hair looks straight. And trust me guys, once I straighten my hair, I don't have to use a straightener for the next 2 or 3 days until I go in for my next shampoo. So yeah, if you guys are excited and want to know how I keep my hair this manageable, then please keep on watching. So to start off, always make sure that you straighten your hair on the day you wash your hair, because that way the hair straightening is going to last on your hair for a long period of time. And I think before using any kind of hair tool or any kind of hair product on your hair, it's very important how you prep your hair. So I've noticed one thing, that whenever I use a hair oil on my hair eventually looks amazing, and I don't have to put in a lot of effort into straightening my hair or styling them. So always make sure that you use a hair oil and you're giving proper nourishment to your hair. And I've shared in the past the kind of hair oils I have used, and you can check my previous hair care routine videos. I'm going to leave a link of that in the description box below. Now next step is to make sure that you're using a good quality shampoo. Now for me, not all the shampoos honestly work on my hair, and I sort of look out for the shampoo which helps in maintaining my haircut. I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite shampoos and my current favorites which I have been using these days. So the first one is the Satanic shampoo. This is by Amway. This is the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and when I use this, I don't have to separately use a conditioner. My hair automatically looks super duper manageable. The second one is by Vela, and I've shared this product in my previous videos as well. This is their Intense Repair Fusion shampoo. Again, an amazing product, works amazing on my hair. The third shampoo is by Bare Anatomy. This is the one, I also made a video on Bare Anatomy products, and this one again works really well on my hair. With the conditioner, it works really amazing. Like, this whole combination works amazing on my hair. And now coming to my most favorite shampoo these days. It is literally my #1 shampoo. It is by L'Oreal. This is their Biotin Enforcer shampoo, and this literally works the best on my hair. Apart from this, I also enjoy using the L'Oreal Mythic Oil shampoo. I've used that product in my previous videos too. So after you are done shampooing your hair every single time, I think it is extremely important to use a hair conditioner, because it just changes the game for your hair. And my current favorites are the one by Vela. I think I've shared these products previously as well, so I don't want to go into the detail. This is the Intense Repair Mask. And another favorite is by L'Oreal. This is their Liss Unlimited conditioner. These are working well for my hair. So I think it's time now to show you guys how my real hair looks like. So let's get started with the demo. So as you guys can see, I have freshly washed my hair, and they are about 80 to 90% dry right now. They're almost dry from the front, but they are like pretty much wet from the back. And do not use a hair dryer on dripping wet hair. That's not actually healthy for your hair. So for the first step, what I'm going to do is take the Heat Protectant Mist. This is the one by Toni and Guy, and it's my favorite heat protectant mist. I've also used one by Schwarzkopf, but this one I really like. It not only protects my hair from the heat, but it also makes sure that my hair looks shiny. Basically, if you're not straightening your hair but using a hair dryer, it is extremely important to use a heat protecting mist, and this will make sure that your hair will not look dry, and basically this will protect your hair from the heat. So I'm going to shake this first and spritz it all over my hair. I basically make sure that it is nicely spread all over my hair. Now for the next step, I'm going to be using a hair dryer on my hair. So this is the one that I actually got from my local market. My hair type is something that needs a lot of straightening and all of that in order to make sure that they look presentable. But yeah, this actually solves my purpose right now. So yeah, this is a very cheap hair dryer, so please don't judge me. guys, I'm done blow drying my hair, and this is how my hair actually looks after blow drying. They look very fluffy, and I really feel like controlling the amount of fluffiness every single time. That's why I always resort to straightening. So I'm done with drying my hair, and this is how they look. They look pretty decent from the top, but I feel my hair are very wavy from the inside, so that's why I feel like straightening them every single time. And trust me, they are looking a lot wavier right now, but as the hours pass by, they look a lot more like decent. So after I'm done drying my hair, I like to set my hair with the help of my fingers, and I don't like to use any comb or a hairbrush. I just use my fingers to detangle all the knots, if any, and I like to set my hair with the help of my hands only, and then I like to switch to straightening. Okay, so now for my actual step, I'm going to use the hair straightener, and the one that I use is by Iconic, and this is the S3 Iconic Professional Straightener. This is what I've been using for the past 1 year, and it has been working really well on my hair. So when I switch it on, I set the power to 190. Here you can see all the power variations, and I like to set it to 190, and sometimes I set it to 170 as well, but most of the times I like to set it at 190. And you have to give it 10 to 15 seconds to heat up properly, and when the light stops blinking, I'm not sure whether you can see the light, but when it stops blinking, it's then when you use it, and it's then when it's properly heated. So yes, it is heated right now, but what I like to do before that, I'm going to look really funny right now, but yeah, that's how I like to straighten my hair. And while it's straightening, I'm going to go layer by layer. So let me first wrap up this major chunk of my hair in a clutcher. What I like to do is run the straightener from top towards the bottom. That's it. You have to run it almost twice, and it's straight. But please make sure, guys, whenever you're straightening your hair, they are completely dry and they're not wet. So as you guys can see, just 2 swipes and they are perfectly straight, and that's why I really love this straightener. And I'm gonna straighten my back hair too. So while straightening, always remember that you do not straighten like a whole chunk of hair like that. It will not last longer. Always make sure that you are taking very thin parts of your hair and straightening them first, and then going ahead with the second layer. Okay, so now there's only front layer left, and for the front, I would recommend you guys to twist your hair like so. Sometimes your hair even tends to look chumpu while straightening, especially from the top. So in order to avoid that, I'm going to twist my hair like that and straighten them like that. And now I'm just giving some final touches towards the end. And now for the last step, I like to add a hair serum, but this is more or less optional for me, because I've always noticed one thing, that whenever I add a hair serum to my hair, like hair ends, my hair tends to become oily very quickly. If I skip the serum, I can still leave on my hair for about good 2 days. So on most days, I do tend to avoid serum, but if I'm going out, I do like to add just a drop of it. So I have 3 serums with me, which I'm currently using. So the first one is the one by Bare Anatomy, and the second one is by L'Oreal. This is their Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. I'm sure if you guys are following me, I've added this product a lot of times in my hair care videos too. And the next product is by Vela. It's their Oil Reflections Luminous Smoothing Treatment. This is literally my favorite hair serum. So I'm going to use the Vela serum today, and I usually make sure to just add 1 single drop. That's it. And just apply it towards the end of my hair. This is how my hair finally looks, you guys, and I personally love this whole bouncy come straight hair look. And trust me guys, I don't have to use a hair straightener now for the next 2 or 3 days until I go in for my next shampoo. and the hair straightener I use is just beyond amazing. I don't have to go for touch-ups, and that's the most amazing part about the hair straightener. So if you are someone who is looking to invest in a good straightener, I would highly recommend you guys the iconic S3 straightener. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, this was all about how I turn my wavy hair into manageable straight hair. So let me know in the comment section if this video was fun to watch. Do hit like, comment and share my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you guys super soon in my next video. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.